How's it going, everybody? We got some developments happening here at Hotel. A lot of exciting things happened. So I went out and I was looking for what's the best route to and fro the asterisk from the tree line. And I ended up finding a hidey hole that where the ground was all kind of disturbed and patted down a little bit. Plucked out a 1 inch orange hair, solid orange. So again, there's adding more weight to the theory that we're talking with a 12 to 13-year-old orangish reddish haired female. So another thing too, the asterisk symbols that I've been documenting and keeping track of. I started looking into Hebrew literature as well, and the X in Hebrew means to cross ownership. Basically, you're giving something to somebody, so that X marks a gift. The Y with the second hook to it right here means to allow. The triangle means a door or a pathway. The backwards F with the third horizontal means to behold something, and also this symbol, that's not in Hebrew. That's actually in Native American petroglyph. We're finding a lot of similarities between the North American petroglyphs to runic as well. We're finding runic, but we're finding a lot of Hebrew. So the X in Native American petroglyphs actually means friends. So that's pretty cool either way that you look at it. There's an X with a straight line underneath of it that means wise influence. So we're going to test something out here. If they are speaking Hebrew like we pick up in the Sierra sounds, and I'm actually cataloging Hebrew writing as well. So backwards F, the X, the triangle, and the Y with the second hatch mark. That's a Hebrew word, you guys. That's Hebrew. Like, and that means to allow something. So we're going to start test number 10. Okay, so test number 10. If the X means exchange or friends or something like that, so the X in Hebrew means to exchange something, to give something. So I'm putting the X with the gifting bowl now. Now this symbol, I put this in asterisk, but in Hebrew this symbol means trustworthy, a straight line with a dome, kind of like a hat. And then I'm basically saying, hey, we're friends, you can trust me. And then instead of doing a handprint, I did my footprint. So that one's my foot. And let's hope that she wants to try out the footprint this time. I'm feeling very encouraged by what I have just learned through the Hebrew language. But before all of that gets authenticated, I'm testing it right now. So before this gets authenticated, I'm actually going to get a hold of a rabbi that is fluent in both the speech and the writing, and see what they come up with both the Sierra sounds that Mr. Ron Moorhead had recorded and the asterisk usage that's been happening here at this table right here. So therefore, I'm very excited right now. So I'm hopeful that she's watching right now, and I'm hopeful that she's enthused by my excitement, because through the asterisk writing, the symbols that we are picking up, we have yet to actually complete a sentence yet, but we're getting a gist of a sentence that has stated someone is of pure heart, someone is friends, and someone is trustful as well. Also, there's the star symbol that was used that actually translates through the Native American petroglyphs, which means charismatic as well. So I'm picking out these little pieces and everything, and these aren't laid all out together. These are all laid out through multiple days with other asterisks and stuff like that, so they could mean something completely different, but from the words that I'm understanding, I'm trying to follow. So I'm taking this as kind of an idea of stay charismatic, stay engaged, stay pure of heart, and maybe the activity will continue, or maybe it'll excel. Maybe I don't know. It's a test, so we're gonna see where it goes. So I hope you guys are just excited about this as I am, because there's a lot here to be questioned now. If they're speaking Hebrew and writing Hebrew, the idea is that they very well could be one of the lost tribes of Israel. I know this sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but everything I've been researching here is crazy. So this is where the evidence is starting to point us, is somehow they are speaking languages that come out of the cradle of civilization, out of the Middle East, out of Israel. So I know I'm going to get some death threats for this, but the truth needs to be said, and this is the truth. This is what I am finding out here, so take it as you will.